Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this freebie haul from the Allergy and Free From Show Winter, as well as Just Vegan Show Winter. Gonna start off with these marshmallows, which was from one of the stalls. This sauce, this Henderson's Relish, which is possibly vegan. I'm not sure what's the difference between this and regular sauce. Looks like Worcester sauce. Miniature bottle. Leaflet. Marshmallows, which was from one of the stalls. Let's get all of this out. I'm going to do one by one. So this is Vocal Zone Throat Pastels, Honey and Lemon. Another one. So these are 2 bags shoved in one, really. Throat honey. Ox egg alternative. There's lots of this. Oh, this is Polyogian. This is Loafer nasal spray. These are lots of leaflets, which I'll go through later. Another ox. Another ox. I'll probably pronounce it very wrong. Good fibers. This pen was from one of the stores. Love Free From. So another thing, this is a leaflet, which I'll go through later. More leaflets, go through later. Another ox. Try and guess how many ox is in total in this bag. Another leaflet. Oh, another leaflet. So this is another hay fever nasal spray, or pollen. Yep, hay fever nasal spray. So this is the second. Good fibers. Cinnamon bar, apple and cinnamon. Another flora. Oh wait, this is the first flora, which is this is linen fresh. Another Zaflora. This one is spiced plum, so this probably smells the nicest. Subjective. This is Baba Best Kids Column, butchering the names, 1 to 12. Biotic sachets for children. And what does it look like inside? Sachets. They look like sachets. Another good fibers. Vibrations. I'm assuming it's some flapjack or cereal bar. Another kids vitamins sachets. Another ox, so it's in total so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ox. No idea what it's for, so it's 8, equivalent to 8 eggs. Equivalent to eggs, I'm assuming. Another ox. Plenty of ox. Try making cakes with it or something. Mentos. Pure Fresh Tropical. Mentos. Another Mentos. And another Mentos. Oh yeah, I took that leaflet out. And here goes the leaflets. Got 3 coupons of the Jubal Beer Gut. Gut with peach. So these are vouchers. 50p off. This is Cocoa. 50p off next purchase. For anyone that wants... Oh, it's a barcode. So this is a recipe. Oh, I think this is a recipe for ox. An example of how to make brownies. Same thing. This is a £5 off Good Vibrations if anyone would like to use this code. £24 beer voucher. And the code is EG2. Claim your free case. This is 50p off Livia's. 50p off. Kind of good voucher. This is HelloFresh. HelloFresh normally does deals. 60% off first box and 40% off next 3 boxes. This is ZenB. 50% off users code freefrom. That's ZenB pasta. Interesting. For anyone who's interested. So this is a leaflet about vocal zone and then information that you may have voice problems. That explains the packet. And this that same thing. Same thing. Vouchers. And a leaflet from one of the stores. On my other YouTube channel, Sucky42 Deathlake, made a miniature vlog walking around and sampling some free samples in the stores. Please do comment below what freeform foods that you prefer or what your thoughts of vegan alternatives of foods. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content.